x equal to a into t minus sin t, y equal to a into 1 plus cos t. Find the second derivative. Find the second derivative. All of you listen. First calculate dx by dt. X is a function in t. Y is also function in t. Dx by dt a into 1 minus cos t. Derivative of x value 1. Derivative of sin x equal to cos x. Next, calculate dy by dt a into derivative of 1 0. Derivative of cos t minus sin t. So minus a sin t. From these two, calculate dy by dx. Dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt minus a sin t by a into 1 minus cos t. A cancel. Minus 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. 1 minus cos a, 2 sin square a by 2. 2 sin square a by 2. So 2 to cancel, sin t by 2 cancel. So finally we get dy by dx equal to minus cos by sin cot t by 2. This is the first derivative, dy by dx. Once again, given parametric form, x in terms of t, y in terms of t. So calculate dx by dt, dy by dt. First dx by dt, derivative of x1, derivative of sin t cos t, derivative of 1 0, derivative of cos t minus sin t. From these two, dy by dx, dy by dt by dx by dt minus a sin t by a into 1 minus cos t. A cancel. Finally you get minus cot t by 2. This is the first derivative. We want the second derivative, d square y by dx square minus derivative of cot minus cosecant square x, derivative of internal function 1 by 2 with respect to x. So write dt by dx. This is the function in t, but we calculate with respect to x. So write dt by dx also. You know that dx by dt, there is dt by dx. So take its reciprocal. So minus into minus plus 1 by 2 cosecant square t by 2 into 1 by a into 1 minus cos t. That is the second derivative. That is d square y by dx square. Next, another problem. Y equal to a into e power nx plus b into e power minus nx, then show that y double dash equal to n square into y. Show that y double dash equal to n square into y. Y double dash means second derivative of y with respect to x. So take y, first calculate y dash, that means dy by dx. Again differentiate y1, you get y double dash, y2 all are equal. So first take y, given y is this one, y dash y1 dy by dx all are same, dy by dx y1 or y dash all are similar. So take y dash a, derivative of e power x, derivative of nx, n into 1 plus b into derivative of e power x into minus n into 1, derivative of e power x, derivative of the internal function n into 1. Similarly, b e power x derivative minus x into 1. This is a first derivative. Next again differentiate y double dash y2 d square by dx square all are same. So this a is a, this n is n, this n is n. Derivative of e power nx into n, this a, this n. Derivative of e power x equal e power x, derivative of nx equal to n. Similarly, second term minus bn, take its derivative e power minus nx minus n into 1. So finally you get a n square e power nx minus into minus plus b n square e power minus nx. Take n square common, a into e power nx, b into e power minus nx. Once again, y double dash a n, derivative of e power x, internal derivative is this one. Similarly, b, this minus n is this one. Second derivative, e power x derivative, e power x, minus nx derivative is minus 1, minus n. So n into n square, minus into minus plus, n into n square. So take n square common. See this one, this is nothing but a given problem. A into e power nx, b into e power minus nx, n square into, this is the given problem y. So y double dash equal to n square into y, n square into y. Next.